My name is Victor Inganga, the regional engineer for Suswa region. I'm in charge of operations and maintenance. Narok Substation was commissioned in July 2022. It came as a relief for residents of Narok. Before its commissioning, Narok area and its environs had problems in the power quality that was delivered from a long medium voltage line that was supplying power to this area. These lines were over 100 kilometers long. Two of them, one was coming from Lanet in Nakuru and the other one from Naivasha station in the Naivasha-Longonot Road. These lines also supplied other customers along the way, and during peak hours, Narok experienced low voltages as a result of the demand going high. Commissioning of Narok Substation really came in to avert these issues because we have 68 kilometers, 132 kV line from Olkaria Geothermal fields where we are getting the power and then supplying it to Narok. This station has increased the power quality in this area. Customers are now very happy as the power is reliable and also available for almost the entire time that they require it. The station at Narok has 4 feeders. One feeder is going to an existing Narok substation that was initially there. Another feeder is feeding Mara and its environs. We have another feeder going to Ololunga and a 4th feeder that is supplying Suswa area. So because of the high voltage line, the power interruptions for customers supplied by these lines has really reduced and therefore improved on the quality of supply for the area. The supply from Olkaria has benefited the communities around Narok and more so the large power consumers. This includes the Narok Level 4 District Hospital and also the company that supplies water, the Narok Water and Sewerage Company that supplies water for Narok residents and its environs. These large power consumers require reliable power for their high-end equipment to operate optimally, and this station has really ensured that the reliability of power is almost 100%, and therefore their equipment are able to operate optimally. The medium voltage line from Naivasha substation that was initially supplying Narok town was also supplying other towns that are along the way of the line. This include Maimahio, Suswa, Ntulele, and ultimately to Narok. So this meant that any fault that would be experienced along the line for the supplies to this town would also affect the supply to Narok. And this has significantly reduced with the commissioning of this substation because we have a high voltage line directly from Olkaria to Narok, and then now the feeders supplying Narok town. The distance is about 5 kilometers, which makes them less susceptible to faults. In addition to supplying Narok County and its residents, there is a project that will also extend supply from Narok Substation, a 132 kV line that will be constructed from Narok to Bomet. This will complete a very critical link in the Kenyan transmission grid and ensure reliability of power to the western part of the country, since there will be an alternative route for geothermal supply from Olkaria through Narok to Bomet and to the entire western region through Sotik and Kisii substations. Thank you.